Welcome to the pushover analysis with low-wave loading course. To begin, let's copy these three files from your reference folder. Once you've done that, you can go to DataGen and open up and create a new data file. And at the static tab, go to collapse input file and then I'll click OK. Our first line is collapse options. And here you're gonna define some numbers here. The maximum iterations per load increment, gonna use 20. And number of member segments, gonna use 8. Maximum number of member interactions, 20. And here gonna change continue if maximum interactions exceed, change it to yes. And the joint flexibility effects, let's change to include. And the joint strength check option, let's change to API. Gonna use this code to check the joint, okay? And I'm sorry, I should have changed the units. We can do it right now. Change it to English, okay? And right here we can delete all of those since we're gonna use the default, okay? And the collapse deflection gonna use 100, and strain hardening ratio gonna use 0.005, and these methods not gonna use that, so set to no both of them, and then click apply. The second line, it's about the report selection. Go to collapse analysis report selection, click OK, and we're gonna tell SACS that we want the member stress print option, and also we want it to print stress for class members only. Change it to yes. And the collapse summary report, change to yes, then apply. And the last line is our load sequence. Go to insert input line, and here it is, loading sequence. Click OK, and let's type the name of the sequence is AAAA, and the first load case is dead. The number of increments is 1. It starts with 0, ends with 1. Same for the other ones. There are no more space here, so we can jump one line, type it again. Do not type the load sequence again, okay? We're just continuing the information from the previous line. And right here, we can continue with area 1. Starts with 0, ends with 1. Live. Now we're gonna use our environmental loading. The number of increments here is 75. It starts with 0 and ends with 7.5. Apply. So go to the insert input line, elastic member groups, and the first one, W01, W02, LG7, W.B, and apply. We can also do that for plates. We have a command for plates. It's right here, elastic plate selection, and our plate ID is P01. So we finished, and just have to type the end line and save our file. The name is clpinp.dat and save. Here it is. Let's go to the analysis generator. Let's select the static. Let's go to the analysis generator, select static, and the subtype is full plastic collapse pushover. Select these boxes, environmental loading and foundation options. The SAX model file, the C-state input file, the collapse input file, and the PSI input file. Okay, now we can run our analysis. Here's our analysis output. You can see here the increments. There's only one for all the loadings, but the wave loading. It starts with 0 and then 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and ends with 3.4. Okay. Some of the steps that our structure collapsed, we have some issues with the maximum interactions. It exceeded 20, but we can see here it's the step 33, 34. It's about the end of the analysis, so we're gonna take this as okay, and let's check the results. Open up the list file and let's scroll down. Here's our collapse solution summary. The same sequence we saw at that window. Okay, and if you scroll down a little bit more, you're gonna find the results for the pile heads. There is also some graphical results. We can click right here, this file, view. It's going to open pre-seed with our structure, the piles. So go to load step, and last, it's our final structure. Here we can see plasticity occurring in 2 legs under the formed structure. We can animate this. It's very slow. Let's increase the speed a little bit. Okay. And also we can generate some reports. Go to File, Generate Report, and let's pick up Work Done, and then apply. Here's the report for the work done for each loading. Okay, and also we can create some graphs. Click on graphs, and let's choose loads tab and total work done, and select one of the joints. I'm gonna select 207 and then add. Here's the list of the plots we're gonna use. So every time you choose anything here, you have to click add. So it goes to that list, and then when you push show graphs, it's going to be shown here. So here's our graph. You can find some values here. Just pass the mouse. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for your attention. Bye bye.